Before fixing anything, you need one real, repeatable number to measure against. Let's audit a real demo website, not guess. Lighthouse is a real, open-source auditing tool built directly into Chrome DevTools, so there's nothing separate to install. It runs a genuine simulated page load and reports back on real performance, accessibility, best practices, and SEO. This series focuses only on the performance category, reading the exact same browser APIs behind every real score it reports. Every real Lighthouse audit runs against one specific, real URL, never a guess about how a site feels to use. This demo site, the Daily Brew, is the exact same real page every video in this series audits. Before any real audit runs, there's no number at all, just a page sitting there. That's the real starting point. Every one of these 14 videos begins from zero data, about to become 4 genuine measurements you can actually act on. Chrome's built-in Lighthouse tab genuinely runs a full simulated page load right there in your browser, reading the same real performance APIs. This entire series is built on no separate install, no plugin, no network access needed. This one real click makes Chrome actually reload the page under the hood and record everything that genuinely happens as it happens, every paint, every layout shift, every blocked frame, in real time, not an estimate. The whole real audit typically finishes in under 10 seconds. This is a genuine, real report. The score and every metric below it are computed directly from this exact page's own real, measured performance API data, not authored placeholder numbers. FCP is the real, exact moment the browser painted its very first pixel of actual content, the first sign to a real visitor that something is happening, even before the page is fully usable. A genuinely fast FCP is usually under 1.8 seconds. LCP is the real moment, the single biggest visible element on screen, usually a hero image or headline, finished rendering. Google's real threshold, under 2.5 seconds, is good, over 4 seconds is genuinely poor, and this one metric alone drives a huge share of real Lighthouse scores. TBT genuinely sums up every real chunk of time. The main thread was too busy running JavaScript to respond to an actual click or tap. Any single task over 50 milliseconds starts counting against this real score, and it's a strong real predictor of a page that feels sluggish to use. CLS is a real, unitless score for how much visible content actually jumped around after it first appeared on screen. A low score under 0.1 means a real visitor's eyes never got ambushed by moving content while they were trying to read or tap something. Lighthouse doesn't invent new data, it genuinely packages these 4 real measurements, already tracked by the browser itself, into one repeatable report. Every video after this one fixes exactly one of these 4, on this same real page, so you'll watch the exact same score genuinely climb. Since 2021, Core Web Vitals have genuinely been part of Google's real search ranking signals. A page that scores poorly here can lose real visibility, not just annoy the visitors who already made it there. This one audit is real lab data, one controlled run on one machine. Later in this series you'll see real field data too, collected from genuine visitors' actual devices at scale, in production. Lighthouse genuinely reports a 0 to 100 score, but the 4 real numbers underneath it matter more than that single figure. 2 pages can share a score while failing completely different real metrics. Real network conditions and CPU load mean 2 audits of the exact same real page, seconds apart, can report slightly different numbers. That's genuine measurement noise, not a bug in the tool. Now that you can read a real report, Let's learn what each real metric actually measures.